Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin YUSRI, and I will be presenting for the first board of improper waste management. So our site that we have chosen is Kelang. So located in Meru is a small town in the district of Kelang, Selangor, Malaysia. The metropolis is growing as several new cities sprout around it. Bandar such as Bandar Baru Setia Alam is one of the Meru's new cities that is quickly emerging. So why are we conducting overlay analysis? So for our overlay analysis, we use overlay analysis to combine characteristics of several databases into one from GIS. So that allows us to find the specific location of areas that has been certain as set attributes values that is matched to the criteria that we would like to find. So for our site issues and site problems, which we have found in our site in Kelang, which mainly consists of illegal waste disposal and water pollution. So illegal waste disposal is usually came from residential areas and industrial areas, which has been reported to have illegal waste disposal activities which has caused issues such as flood and water pollution. And next is water pollution. So water pollution, which mainly came from industrial areas where they release waste into the river, which affected the residential area and the existing wildlife. So one of the solution that we have come out is decompose, which is to compost this leftover food soon as possible, as it is simple and practical approach to decrease the waste by converting food scraps into soil. And also and next is recycling. To it is to such as recycle rubbish and recycle any recyclable materials that can be reused to create other materials that is properly separated and that allows us to preserve our environment. So for our case study, which is water waste management, is an important issue that that is related to our economic status of the country and the lifestyle of the people. Solid waste management can be defined as defined as a control of generation, storage, collection, transfer, and transportation preceding the disposal of solid waste. So for our problem statement, the study aims to identify the problem of improper waste management in the district of Kelang, because improper waste management is unsustainable practice of disposing waste in a manner that is harmful to the environment, well as studying the effect and ways to overcome this problem. So the GIS data that we needed to analyze, which is waste that we needed, such as waste mapping analysis, waste data analysis, and waste mapping analysis, which can be found in areas such as rural, residential, and industrial. So in conclusion, we would like to find the health data resources available online, such as the API access. We also want to find we also would like to analyze weakness such as lack of special base search criteria, and opportunities such as strong support on standard bodies. And we would like to identify threats such as lack of awareness and service for geospatial data. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Today, I would like to present Board 2 for utilizing GIS for sustainable landscape planning solution. We have three main analyses that we have chosen to use. First is rural. So for rural, we start by adding the data to the rural attribute table and edit symbology unit value to the data. Next, we move to industrial analysis. First, we start by creating multiple ring buffer to identify where is industrial area. Then, we begin to adding data to the attribute table and changing the symbology. Next, we move to residential analysis. First, we add the shape file and set boundary. Then we create chain to raster and edit the raster data symbology. Then finally, we save the data name as resi buffer. As you can see of analysis, first is residential analysis, second is rural analysis, third is industrial analysis, fourth is open space analysis, five is overlap map analysis. So far, from the discussion, we have come up with issue of improper waste management in Klang. Basically, our site has issue of pollution due to improper care of waste management. Our site also, such as area in Kapar, has river pollution due to industrial activity and close to residential area. With GIS, we are able to analyze data to help us design and identify problems. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.